Okay, this is me solving a Rubik's Cube. I kind of learned how to do it on the internet. I still feel as though that, if I had sat down with a stupid cube for a few hours, I probably could have figured it out. But really, who wants to sit down with a stinking cube for 2 hours and try and figure out how to solve it? So I went on and learned some of the tricks, and it's just one of my new things I do when I'm really bored. So I decided I'd put it on video and maybe put it on the internet for fun. So let me just finish mixing it up here. Okay, let's see. Solving a Rubik's Cube.